At the end of last year, when we spent 6 months in Europe, we were like, we're not going back to Europe again for at least a year because we spent all of our money. We're back.
That is fantastic.
This one is just a banger.
This is a place you have to come.
You have to come.
And you have to order exactly what we ordered.
You're going to get a boat, go with Franco.
And then we see you again in Australia.
Yeah, exactly. We're back in business, baby. Let's go.
So yeah, we're back in Europe, this time exploring the incredible island of Sardinia. Known for its crystal waters, incredible food, and some of the most beautiful coastline in the Mediterranean. Honestly, we had no plans to come here until so many of you on Instagram started asking for tips, so we decided to make the trip. This is an island so big that it almost feels like its own country. But in today's vlog, we're exploring the beauty of the south. Fresh markets, an incredible boat trip that is an absolute must-do, and we're on the hunt for the best food in Cagliari. Trust us on this one, we did it well. And if you use any of these tips, you're going to have the best trip too. Oysters for brekkie in Sardinia.
Yeah.
We're so excited.
So excited. €3 each. These are apparently the best ones to get. Although he didn't speak any English and I just said get the best ones and he pointed to these. So
And he shucked them.
He shucked them
in front of us.
Yeah, let's give one a go. They look awesome. Oh, fat, juicy oyster.
Fresh.
Let's go. Yeah, that's so fresh. You're going to love it.
Yum, they're actually so good. $5 oysters though.
We're not budget travellers.
Delicious, worth it.
Grazie. They're delicious.
Thank you
so much.
so
Buoni.
good.
Beautiful. Ciao, grazie.
Tice is lost in here. We are at, this is apparently one of the biggest fresh food markets in Italy, but also in Sardinia. So it's got fresh veggies. Oh, it's amazing. It's got meat, fish. The oysters we just had were 10 out of 10, worth the $20.
I don't know how anyone can pick what to eat around
I know,
here.
but there's so much fresh fruit and like fresh produce. So this market opens at 7 a.m. too. So I think the best time to come is in the morning when you can get all the fresh stuff. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
So good.
You
Fresh.
get some fruits.
Wow, look at this.
Questa è murra, una qualità di fico tra nero e bianco.
Oh, okay, all three different
Sì,
types.
sweet. Amber
Ah,
three.
sweet.
Oh, these ones sweeter?
Sweet.
Perfect.
Grazie.
People are really lovely here as well.
So friendly. Everyone. I mean, the only thing we have to build up is our confidence on saying
I know,
Italian
confidence in
words,
speaking
'cause
words. We're so
such
bad. We're like,
wusses.
Prego. Buongiorno. Okay, so we've been recommended this place by Liana, I think Instagram. We've been chatting. She's actually from Melbourne and she moved to Sardinia 2 years ago. I'll pop her to Instagram actually on the page here so you can follow her. But she recommended. Oh, we get this one here, but there's also ones, babe, with, she said stracciatella or something in it. Hope you're hungry.
Yeah.
Grazie, thank you. Mission now is to go sit somewhere and eat it.
Yeah, we've got to find a
Just
spot.
got to find a stair. Beautiful Friday morning.
in the
Everyone's
sun.
out with their carts.
I know.
Ah, look at this.
Perfect.
How good. This is our spot.
Our spot. What are we going first?
I reckon we got to go this one first. This giant tomato thing.
One thing about if being back in Europe, you know that everything, all
The
the fruit
fruit's
is
gonna
going to
be
be. Like,
amazing.
look at that.
Look at that.
That's so good.
That is fantastic.
That's crazy.
Ah. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Fresh tomatoes, olive oil. I don't know what herbs and seasoning, but that's so tasty. Just the tomatoes here are like next level.
That is like so good.
So yummy.
Like a margarita pizza.
I know, it's so tasty.
This one's the mushroom and zucchini.
Is this one, what's your fave?
That one, I like that one.
Oh,
Yeah.
out of the tomato and
Yeah, yeah.
everything?
Oh no, tomato
no.
is best, still the best.
Tomato wins,
Yeah.
then zucchini and mushroom,
Yeah.
and then green pea and prosciutto.
This we don't get in Australia,
I don't
but
know why.
that's a
They're all
that's a
over Europe.
nectarine.
It's like a flat, it's like it's been
Flat.
squished.
A flactarine.
€30 spent. We got, oysters, fruit and pastries. We had a lot of food.
We had a lot of
It's
food.
actually pretty good.
Yeah, the oysters blew us out.
Yeah.
Look, these strawberries are like so sweet. Have you tried them?
Yeah, I tried them before.
Crazy.
The fruit here is next level.
But so this market
tasty.
actually is not the main market. The main market is just across the way, and it's getting renovated for 2 years. So apparently it'll be ready in
2027.
2027. But this one's still fantastic.
Yeah, it's like a little temporary. I think on the Google Maps it's called like temporero market. It's got the same stuff. So definitely come here. This is the perfect way to start your morning. Coffee, and we have such a fun day planned. I'm actually so excited.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
We're going to explore this beautiful old town, Cagliari.
Yeah.
Just rolls off the tongue as well, doesn't it? Cagliari. Cagliari. When I said,
All Italians are going to be like, you're butchering that.
don't be mean to us in the comments if we are. Okay. Run into a bit of an error today. Well, you've got a lot of charge, babe, but we didn't bring any chargers with us.
Yeah.
And phones are already dying, and we're out until 9 p.m. tonight exploring.
I know, let's hope we can make it home.
I think... I mean,
Not with my directions.
My phone's definitely going to die. I think if we can keep yours alive. On to our next adventure. We are going on a boat.
Oh, not on a boat.
The morning tour is always the best, so
We've got a shared boat today. It's €60 per person, and the brand is Cagliari Sea Experience. So we're going for 3 hours, 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. We have 3 swimming spots, and they also include food. So it's a beautiful day. We do recommend doing the morning, and so does Franco, our tour guide, because he said it's like less hot and things like that. So it's awesome. He actually used to live in Australia, did Gold Coast for a bit and Sydney, and he also told us that apparently there is surf on the west side of Sardinia. So Tice is super stoked about that. Super stoked. Not that we're going, but he would. He would if we had time. He definitely would.
This is one for you guys, yeah.
beautiful spot of Cagliari. Look, we have a local coffee, you know. Enjoy your aperitivo.
Cheers,
Salute.
cheers, salute,
Cheers,
salute.
salute.
I'm enjoying it. I love it. We've just had our aperitivo and a little bit of Prosecco. Absolutely fantastic. It's got me a little bit warmed up for this Euro summer though, hasn't it? Happy and I get a little bit excited once we're on the boat. And the water is so blue. At the end of last year, when we spent 6 months in Europe, we were like, we're not going back to Europe again for at least a year because we spent all of our money. We're back, and I'm very glad. It's so nice here.
Yeah, thanks so much. That was great.
We're gonna get a boat, go with Franco.
And then we'll see you again in Australia.
Yeah, exactly.
One thing that always seems to be tough is figuring out if you can park somewhere in another country. And today is no different because we're at this parking place and it says it's got a tariff, but we cannot find a place to pay the tariff. First hour, okay, yeah, that's cool.
€2, €5.
Oh, so maybe we pay it on this website. Oh no, they've got tickets. They've got physical tickets. Looks like there's an actual person. That makes it much easier.
I feel like we're living out of our car because we were like spending the whole day out. So we've got everything in here, but they're also like not with the times. They don't have a manual car thing. There's a man running around with tickets and you have to go find him. How much was it?
€16.50.
€15 until 10 p.m. at night. So it's 2 p.m. So I've got 8 hours, which is pretty good. You know, in Australia, that would probably be a lot more expensive. It's like sore. I better not take it. It's not very trendy, is it? It's really sore though. Anyway, all right, what else do I need? Just a positive attitude, as Tice would say.
Yeah.
We spent the afternoon wandering through the beautiful streets of Castello, Cagliari's ancient hilltop quarter.
This is the stuff you think about when you think of Europe. Look at that.
So like ancient and just full of history.
All the things that we love.
All the things I love. Real history buff right here.
And what surprised us most was how quiet it was. We soon found out that that's because most people here take siestas from around 1 till 5 p.m, something that Australians could definitely learn from. Castello dates back to the medieval times and has been shaped by centuries of different rulers. And you can honestly feel that history just by walking through the streets. Just wandering around here and taking it all in is an activity on its own. We grabbed a coffee at Cafe Eva, which we loved, and then it was Aperol time. With most places closed, our options were limited, so we stumbled through the Bastoni di Saint Remy, this stunning 19th century monument with sweeping views over the city, and we found a spot for our first Aperol for the day. Honestly, not our top pick, and we wouldn't rush back, but don't worry. We more than made up for it later with one of the best dinner recommendations that we will give you on our entire Sardinian trip. And then it was time for Aperol 2 and 3. Around 5 p.m, we found Takis, a local chain and the only place really open in the afternoon. The biggest Aperol glass we have ever seen, cheap drinks, and a great vibe. The food is nothing to write home about, but honestly, you're not going there for the food. Definitely check it out. After Takis, we continued our Aperol hop, but then felt the need for something a little more classy.
Apparently this place makes cocktails just from Sardinian liquor, so
So cool.
that's the good stuff.
We have discovered this cocktail shop. If you're here and it does not have this sign, so we don't speak Italian, but we are thinking that this says closed 1st till the 8th, reopen 9th. Like that would make sense, right? So today is the 5th, so closed. So we cannot have a cocktail. Definitely check this out if you can, but we have one more in mind that we've been seeing on Google. We actually tried to go to this one earlier, but it was closed. We just walked past it before and it was reopened, so we're back in business, baby. Let's go. Comes more alive. From 6 p.m, we were walking through at like 2 p.m, we were like, oh my God, is it like low season? Why is there no one here? Now it's 6:30, 7:20. It feels like 2 p.m. It's absolutely crazy. I love it. It's a vibe. Sardomo Sada is where we have been recommended. Recommendation number 1, numero uno. Numero uno. We're gonna try our luck. It opens at 7:30. We do not have a reservation. We have a backup reservation at 8 o'clock at another epic place. So if this fails, we are gonna go to the other one. But this is apparently like traditional Sardinian food, pasta, just everything. Oh, there's not many people. There's no one lining up. Okay, this could be good.
Oh, okay. We'll come back. Oh, we wait here.
Starting. Oh, everyone's lining up. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes.
Table secured. We got in.
It was easy. So
It was
come at
very
7:30.
easy.
But
Yeah.
there was a line. Like
We were
people were
told.
already
We
here.
were actually told by someone who's from Australia. Actually, the tip
Liana?
master. We keep talking about her, Liana, the tip master of Sardinia.
Thank you.
so much.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Water would
some
be
water.
great. Thank you. Sparkling. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, the tip master, she was like, oh, if you come early, then you'll probably get in because only foreigners come early. All the locals come at like 8 o'clock or 8:30 p.m. So she was right.
So
funny.
excited. We're gonna
I'm
have some
pumped.
pasta. There's a menu discani.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Yeah, I think that's Italian for scan. We'll see.
We'll see.
See in a sec.
We love when there's photos of things. Ravioli. I feel like we need to get some sort of ravioli.
The big ones, those ones.
Okay, so it's not a menu where you like pay on your phone. You just pick what you want and there's photos, and then they come over and you like show your phone. We got some traditional dishes that Liana actually recommended us in our DMs as well, so shout out again. We got 3 that she said. We got like a ravioli, got a gnocchi, and then we got some meat dishes. Drinks are done though. No more drinks. We are done because Ty's has to drive. Thank you.
Bread.
Bread in a takeaway bag. Is that weird? Alrighty. Why is it in a bag? not very good. It's very cold and.
Eat it with the sauce.
So we are trying little gnocchi. This is maliores a la cam. No, I'm going to butcher it anyway. I'll put it on the screen. Wow, this is our first pasta in. Oh, I'm stoked. Oh, this is going to be so good.
I've never had pasta before.
Never eaten pasta in my entire life. Oh. Yum.
Should I half it? Should I? I don't want to burn my mouth.
I don't want you to burn your mouth either. Oh,
It's not so hot, so I'm going to go for the full bite.
okay, go.
I think that's where you want to live, because it's literally like the best mashed potato you've ever had in a dumpling. I don't want to say that on screen.
Good?
It's
Mashed
fantastic.
potato in a dumpling.
Shut the fuck up. Don't say that. Don't say that. It's really good.
I'm here for it. All right, ready? It is like mashed potato in a dumpling. Oh my goodness. That is fantastic.
Off to a flying start. This one is just a banger.
This is a place you have to come.
You have to come.
And you have to order exactly what we ordered.
Thank you so much.
So
Grazie.
yummy. Thank you. We're pretty happy to get a table. I mean, it's definitely filling up. But if you're like us and you like to eat early, then come at 7:30 when it opens, knock on their door and be like, give us a table. Oh, and then we do have a dessert. Actually, we won't say it because there's a place that opens at 8:30 and they have 4 different types and you can like customize your own Cetos. So we have to do that.
And while we're on the topic of incredible food in the south, the day after we filmed this, we drove about 30 minutes from Cagliari to an agriturismo called Agriturismo Bacucadu. And honestly, this was one of the best meals of our entire trip. For €40 per person, you get unlimited wine and more food that you could ever eat. It's completely authentic. It genuinely feels like you've been invited to eat dinner in someone's home. If you're in Cagliari, this is an absolute non-negotiable, but make sure you make a booking.
One last stop. We've decided not to go to the rooftop because we're so full and we feel like we made a dinner rezzo, so they're probably going to make us, we'll feel bad if we don't order food and then we'll end up ordering pizza and we'll just eat too much. So if you are here and you want to go to a rooftop, definitely check out Amalfi, but we're not going to. But we are going to have dessert instead at this beautiful place. So a typical or traditional Sardinian dessert. So we're going to go in, and apparently this place has like 5 different ones. They're all €6 each, so super excited. Let's go check it out.
Asiadas is a traditional Sardinian dessert, basically a warm fried pastry filled with fresh sheep's cheese and lemon zest drizzled with honey. It sounds simple, and it is, but done well, it is absolutely incredible. This place only opens at 8:30 p.m. and runs for 4 hours, and they do the best ones that we tried on the island. We finished the night with one each and a coffee, obviously, the perfect ending.
Now the mission is to try and find our car because we parked it 8 hours ago.
No.
We've had a few too many Aperol Spritz.
We don't know where it is, but we will find it, and I hope that it's still there.
Oh my
and I
God,
hope
imagine.
the guy that we
I know,
paid
he's still there.
wasn't just a random guy.
Imagine if he was just wearing a t-shirt and it was like, give me your money.
Yeah.
Honestly though, today was awesome. We freaking love Cagliari.
Cagliari.
And if you do any of the things that we did today, you're going to have a great trip.
You're gonna
What
have
was your highlight?
Definitely the dinner was
Dinner was
absolutely
epic.
fantastic. Boat trip was awesome as well.
Yeah,
Franco was a legend.
so good.
Honestly, it's just a fun city, and people are so friendly here. I'm loving it already, and we've only done the south. So make
So
sure you guys
good.
are subscribed for the next ones coming up, because we're going to explore all the rest of the island.
Tomorrow we have such an epic restaurant, and then we are heading up north to Calaganoni or El Central, and we're going to explore. We've still got 10 days here, so tune on in and we'll see you in the next vid.
Ew.